Did you girls eat already? Yeah, let's check. What about you, Melly? Did you eat all your supper? You always eat your supper. Yep. Tilly's the official bowl licker. This one right here, came running home with something in her mouth. She usually catches rabbits, who knows. She's not a chicken killer or anything like that. And she's over there chewing on it, and I'm wondering what it is. I figure it's a rabbit. Nope. It's an armadillo, a baby one. Not a baby, probably maybe a year old. And they're sitting there chewing on this thing. Her and Tilly. Man, you girls, them things got diseases. They don't care. Alright, it's milk bone time. Let me go get you guys a milk bone. They always get one after supper. Where's Melly? One of your sisters. Well, here you go, baby girl. Yeah, you're working on your supper, but you're not done. I'll be in to check on you in a bit. Eat your milk bone. Welcome to the channel. Well, I don't have a work video today, but I wanted to update you on the progress. I've been out here doing what I can because I don't have a lot of materials on hand, but I did have enough scrap sheetrock in the shed left over from the shop build to do this and get this wall. You know, keep in mind this was scrap, so some of it's short of where I needed it, like here. But it's flush with this. I'll fix that and cover that. But we did get a little ceiling up there, and we got this short wall on. So now all of the walls are on. What else did I do? Oh yeah, I finished this. I haven't caulked it yet. I caulked all the windowsills. You can't see it, it's clear. I gotta re-caulk that, I guess. Yeah, I got some clear stuff so you can't see it, but all that's caulked. All this is caulked in. So we're looking good. Now basically just waiting on paint. And that's going to be about 2 weeks before I can afford to buy paint. So, well, maybe not 2 weeks. 23rd, something like that. I'll probably be painting over Christmas. So put it to you that way. And just running this heater here, I can run this for 15 minutes. It's 70 degrees in here on low. This thing is very well insulated. We're not going to have any issues. All I'm probably ever going to have to really do, well, I am going to have a fireplace heater here. That's going to be more than enough to heat this little room. Oh yeah, I did get this built all the way to the bottom. That's going to have a baseboard anyway. That's all the wood I had of that. I've been having a hard time scraping up stuff, so there is a little bit up there exposed of the wire. I'll figure out something for that, but that will all be painted. The walls will be painted. I haven't done this yet. I'm still thinking on that, whether I want to come all the way down like here or just that little half part. I actually thought I might put a bookshelf here or a little, you know, utilize these. I don't know yet, man. But we're not gonna do anything else until we paint. I've been spending the time. What else did I do? I put the new piece of metal on the roof, which is still, you know, I'm not gonna do a fantastic job because it's gonna get re-roofed anyway. But I got some flashing tape up on there. I gotta put a staple in there. That stuff don't want to stick. I got some flashing coming off of there. It ain't the best looking. It doesn't match, but it's gonna, I guarantee you, nothing's gonna leak. So got that up. I also put another piece of flashing on top of the deck to what it's gonna do. Where this wall is, it extends out onto the deck to where it's gonna drive any water, you know, keep it from coming here and drive it out onto the roof down there. So did get these in here. We'll have to get a little piece of sheetrock. I've got that much left. So we'll have to do this here and then figure a way to put some trim. As I've said before, trying to build something on existing Construction's not always easy, but I'll figure it out. And in the end, this will look good. I'm really happy with how the windows came out. I knew people would be commenting how they like the cedar. Guys, that cedar is going to be painted, but it's still going to look cool when it's painted. You know, it's still going to be cedar, but it's not going to go with the colors I'm painting in here. And so we do got a bunch of rain coming for the next few days, so I'm curious to see if I've got all the leaks fixed. There wasn't a lot, mostly in this where I had the new roof and all that, because I hadn't really finished that. This is going to be a pretty little handy closet. I have not put any roofing up here, and I'll do that. You know, I'm not going to waste the little scraps I have in there. But as you can see, it's going to be a little coat closet. There'll be enough room down here for boots and everything. Right now I got all my tools and everything shoved in here. So it's going to work out, and I'm going to build my door. Not real sure what I want to do with that yet, but I don't have any materials to do anything else with. So this project is pretty much stalled. There's a little bit of trim I can do, but it's pretty much stalled until I can get paint and some more. I need more lumber to do some more trim, and that's going to have to wait. All right, that's what's going on in here. And tonight I got another recliner, so I'm going to bring the old one out here. And we're going to have a TV night with Lily in there. Yeah? What are you watching? Giraffes? What is this? Oh, it's this guy. He has a different dog every time. He's kind of like me. He's got a bunch of dogs. See, we got the chair set up for visiting Lily. She's on her heating pad. It's pretty warm right now. Yeah, she's a good girl. Did you eat your supper? You ate all the meat out of it. You still got your dry. She'll eat that later. Yeah, she's a good girl. Come on. Look how clean it is now. I cleaned up this morning. You got lots of room to wander around. We'll put your bed back out here. Yeah. Yeah. When I was sweeping the floor, I noticed how nice it is to sweep on the part I did versus the part they did. Mine come out a lot smoother than the original did. But it came out decent. What do you think, Lily? Should I bring the recliner in here in your other bed? And then we can bring that TV. I can just put a screw up on the wall, and we can bring that TV in here for the night. Why are you walking in circles? There's nothing new. Well, there is since you were in here last. Yeah, that's new. Don't stick your tongue in there. I don't have a cover on it. She's so nosy. Dogs are just nosy. They're nosy creatures. Okay, you want to go back in? I don't know if you're losing weight or not. I might have to back off the fat. I don't know about this girl. She likes coming in here. So this is what it's like when you're just sitting here. It almost makes me want to put a sofa on this side of the room and then have this view, because it's kind of wasting the windows if I stick it over here and looking at the wall, but there's nowhere to hang a TV over there. But why does there have to, maybe there won't be a TV. I don't know. Got Lily still wandering around. She's inspecting the new walls. Yeah. What do you think? Did you know that you're head dog now? You are head dog. You're the head honcho. You're the eldest. You're the senior dog. Yes, you are by a long shot. No, not really. Rooster's a little bit younger than you, but not much. Yeah. But you'll be able to come in here as soon as I get it done, which will be pretty soon, and you're happy about that. You're going to be happy when you get to come in here and sit with me. I know you are. Yeah. She's a good girl. She's doing his, she does, when she's happy, when you're petting her, she does that little jaw quiver. Do it. She likes to be petted. She likes attention. Yeah, you do. All right. There you go. Yeah. And you know what, Lily? There's no reason I can't leave that door open. Because I can't do nothing in here for a while. So I'll just leave that door open during the day. And you can just come out here whenever you want. Why not? She won't chew nothing up. She's never been a chewer. Maybe when she was a puppy, but she doesn't chew anything up now. For so she loves coming in here. The minute I open that door, if she's in there, if she's not in her bed, she wants to push past me and come in here. Look at her looking around. Yeah, there's a lot more room than in the apartment. But your apartments, most dogs ain't got an apartment. So now you got 2-room apartment. Yeah. Well, that's all I got, guys. Well, we got to go and see Rooster, don't we? Yeah, we'll go see her for a minute. What are you doing? Tilly's out there messing with that dead armadillo. You guys quit dragging that stuff over here. Yeah, you. Well, there's Rooster. I did get their new heating pad today. Armadillos aren't for eating. No, they're not. All right, tell the people happy trails. Happy trails.